Good morning, Zeffie. Did you sleep good?
She, I'm great. It's great. Whatever. We're going to the pool. We're going to the pool.
Going to the pool?
Yep. And I will hold you.
Did you have fun last night?
Yep. Did you?
I had a great time.
Well, we'll stop this. We don't have to stop this fun. We can just keep going on done.
Going to the pool, we're going to the pool. A little mini golf course. Ha 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 ha.
Wow.
Little common areas from games, chess, Connect 4, some foosball, table tennis. How's the hot tub?
Hot, according to Zeffie.
The hot tub's hot?
Will you hit that red button and make the bubbles come on? You want the bubbles on? No.
This definitely does not make it colder.
Beach? Yeah. I mean, there's no swimming. Not that I'd want to swim in Bay Lake, but...
Going to the beach. Some beach toys, sandcastles, buckets. Not a huge beach, but it's definitely some white sand. very tranquil. This is the view you get on a lake view at Bay Lake Tower. And then some loungers. You just sit back and relax. May not be at the beach, at least you can kind of feel like it. We also have the Cove Bar. Looks like they have some drinks, some hot dogs, and salads, and turkey BLT, some nachos, and the kids can get some Uncrustables, turkey sandwich, or a hot dog. They also have some lockers that you can use to place your stuff in while you're at the pool. It's pretty cool. Restrooms.
I like the big pool. I like the big slide.
What else did they have?
They had a little slide, a hot tub, a splash pad.
Was it a fun pool? Did you come back here again? Good, because this is your home resort.
Where are we going?
Going out by the marina. We're gonna walk to the Contemporary, check out their pool, the watercraft. Bay Lake Tower, walkway over to the Contemporary. Contemporary has a sandbar, more food and drinks, and then the splash pad of the Contemporary. Still not quite what the Polynesians is, but it'll get you wet.